Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuela Okon if it's your first time on here. So in this video we're going to be doing a SZA inspired makeup look, and I am also going to have a photo shoot today, like later on today. So why I actually went for the SZA look is because the photo shoot I'm going to be having is going to be SZA inspired. So yeah, so as you can see, I have my hair done. I'm going to leave like the details on this hair in the description box below. I also have a discount code. You can get $5 off this hair. The hair is from Nadula hair, and I've had it for a while because I actually got it. I got it April, like the beginning of April, or the beginning of April. So I've had it for like a while now, and the hair is great, and you can see how puffy the hair is. So I decided to leave it this way because of the look I was going for. Normally I would like put what's it called, I would put like water and a curling gel to make the hair like curly and stuff like that, but I didn't put that today because I just wanted it to be, you know, rough, and because like I know that's how SZA's hair is. Like it's like she doesn't do much to her hair, and like it's always like, what's the word, but you get what I mean, it's always like just free, like there's no like much stuff to do with the hair. So I just wanted to go for that same look, and yeah, so I try my best to, you know, like get the look, because so many people have been telling me that I look like SZA. Do I look like her? Do I actually look like her? So I try my best to, like, you know, incorporate like some of her makeup routines. Most of the things I noticed were like the eyelid thing, so using like gloss to do the eyelids, which I'm going to show you guys in this video, and like the lip gloss. She doesn't really use lipstick, so I decided to use like lip gloss, and you'll be seeing all the products I use. I'm going to be including everything in the description box, and do not forget to use my discount code Ella. I'm going to leave it on the screen. It's ELLA and double H, so 2H. I'm going to leave it in the description box below for you guys to see, and let's just get into this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you're enjoying my content, like, share, and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Bye.
I think you better touch, got his shoes out of line. Saying tomorrow, I think this shit is never gone. Easy because you wake up on. Just give as much as you take, forgive as much as you hate. Or get the fuck out. I'm feeling the dick out, looking for old out. No, just taking it slow. I'm feeling old out, looking for old out. Somebody show me that door.
I was waving,
I've been waiting for you, boy.
and I was drowning. I went crazy,
I'm going crazy, boy.
found out who's doing hell. Now I'm waving,
I've been waiting for you, boy.
and I was drowning. I went crazy,
I'm going crazy, boy.
found out who's doing hell. Now I'm waving, now I'm waving.
You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that door. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that road. taking it slow. Somebody show me that door. rose.
How to do freckles.
I think you better satisfy the shoes out of line. Say it tomorrow, I think this shit is never gone. Easy big, easy, wake up on. Just give as much as you take, forgive as much as you wait. Or get the fuck out. Hopping in the draw, cooking for old out. No, just taking it slow. I'm feeling out, looking for old out. Somebody show me the door.
I was waving,
For you, boy.
and I was drowning. I went crazy,
Going crazy, boy.
found out, was the way out. Now I'm waving,
For you, boy.
and I was drowning. I went crazy,
Going crazy, boy.
found out, was the way out. Now I'm waving, now I'm waving.
You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that door. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that road.
I'm waving, I'm waving, I'm waving, I'm waving.
You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that door. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that road. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that door. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that road. think you better satisfy your shoes out of line. Say it tomorrow after the shit's never come. Easy big, easy wake up on. Just give as much as you take, forgive as much as you hate, or get the fuck out.